Hello and welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript. This is the conditional section quiz. Our first question says, what will the code block log to the console? We have let grocery item be assigned apple. Then we have our switch case here. And we don't see apple as a choice, so the default would run. So invalid item would run. And then let's go next. What is the general purpose of a conditional statement? We know conditional statements evaluate code as either true or false. And that would be it. Next, what will the following code log to the console? We need let need tacos be assigned true. If need tacos is true, we log finding tacos. So it is true, so finding tacos will be logged. What will the code block log to the console? We have runtime 35 and run distance 3.5. So if runtime is less than or equal to 30, which it's not, so this one won't run. Else if runtime is greater than or equal to 30, which is true, and run distance is less than or equal to 3, run distance is greater than that, so it won't be this. Else if runtime is greater than 30, which it is, or, so since we have an or, we automatically know this will run. Nice workout. It won't even check that. It will just say, hey, this is true, so let's run nice workout. So we run that, we pass. Next one. If is hungry equals true, which of the following expressions evaluates to true? Not is hungry, that would not be true. Is hungry not equal to false? Well, this will be true because true is not equal to false. Not true is equal to true, that's false. Is hungry true is equal to false? So no, it would be this one here because true is not equal to false. That would evaluate the true. Next, to make the statement valid, what operator belongs in the blank space below? So if coins blank heads, console.log coin is heads. So we want it to be valid, we would do the equal sign. It wouldn't be the assignment, so not this one either, and we've never seen that. So equals. It's used to compare values. What will the code block log to the console? Let weather be assigned spring, let clothing choice be an empty string. So where is spring in this if else? It's at the top, so this one would run. Clothing choice would be put on rain boots. So when we log that, it would be put on rain boots right here. Passed it. Next one. How would you properly refactor this code block using ternary operator? So that's our question mark colon. So here, if walk signal is equal to walk, so walk signal is equal to walk would be walk signal is equal to walk, but we need the question mark. So walk signal is equal to walk, question mark, which is if walk signal is equal to walk, do you may walk, else do not walk. So this one right here seems right, except the console logs are missing. So walk signal equals walk. If it's true, console log you may walk. If not, or else do not walk. So it'd be this fourth. And we pass that. Next one, translate this to JavaScript. Log bear to console. If is fury is true and weight is over 100. So if not, so this is going to negate whatever it is at the end. Is fury is true and weight is over 100. It would be not true. So that's not it. If is fury and weight greater than 100, this one looks right. This is or, so it wouldn't be this one. It's this second one. We pass that. And let's go to the last one. Which of the following variable contains a truthy value? So we know 0 is not true. Empty string is not true. False, not true. This string that says false would be true because it's treated as a string, and as long as it's not an empty string, it would be true. So we did pass all those. We got 100. Just real important stuff, all stuff we've went over. So the more practice you've had doing those lessons, then you guys should be able to pass with 100%. If you missed any, go back and just review before moving on to the next section. Once you're done, I will see you there.